Hello my dear friends, welcome to Recyclebintech channel. Today we are going to see imac 2009 model. In this we are going to see how to upgrade SSD. For that we have to remove the glass. You can use like this one, and this is like a, you can see at each corner like a magnet, like a needle. It's for holding the glass. We have to keep it like safely. You can see the small circle like that. It's a magnetic for holding this glass, and there is screws on the round, and we have to remove all the screws and pull it like upside. I have removed all the screws, and you can see below that Apple logo. You can find in small like a small tray for upgrading like a RAM. You can see 2 RAM which is inserted, and the plastic there is for upgrading the RAM. It's very easy, just pull out the plastic and you can upgrade the RAM. And after that you're removing all those screws. Just you can see there's just pull it on the corner, don't pull it in the center, because if you give more pressure it will damage the screen. And slowly each corner you have to pull it, because I'm holding the camera in the other hand, that's why I'm showing in one hand in the one corner. Just pull it slowly, don't give more pressure on that. After while you pull it, the outer cover, you can see a small connection which is giving for the camera, so we have to remove it slowly, and that don't give more pressure because the cable is very tiny cable. After removing this, you can see speaker and fan. It's more dusty, you can clean that one. After that you can see there is all this connection, and you will find the 2 screws over there for this is the display connection. You can find I have removed that screws there. And in this corner also you can see like each side there will be 4 screws for holding the screen, because the screen is heavy, that's why. And we have to remove all those screws. And after removing these screws, just disconnect the cable from here slowly and pull the screen towards upside. While you pull it upside, you will find in 4 cables, 2 cable in one side, like a 2 connector, and 2 connector in other side also. Just you have to disconnect both the connector from this, and just mark it while how to connect that. If you forget, better to mark that one, it will be very easy to connect. After disconnecting the cable, just keep the screen separately safely. If the screen is damaged, the price will be high and you have to spend more on that one. After that you can find the hard disk over there, and the fan also. You can see fan because more dusty, to clean everything. This hard disk we are going to remove, and we are going to replace the SSD over there. And if you want to upgrade the RAM, if you want to change the screen, all those methods you can use it. You can see the RAM slot over there, just for upgrading that. And the processor here, the heat controller is there, and near to that one is for Wi-Fi adapter. Whatever it is, you can change that the things over there. This is the very easy method to change all those things, like a screen, as I said before, screen, CD drive, speaker, fan, whatever it is, etc. After that, now we are going to disconnect the hard disk, and we are going to put the SSD. Now I have disconnected the hard disk and I installed the SSD. While install the SSD, you can see a black sticker over there. That's a sensor. 100% you have to fix the sensor over the hard disk if you replace this. If you not fix that sensor over the SSD or hard disk while running, if you start the iMac, it will work properly, nothing issue, but the fan will run with high sound. So please don't forget, while you remove that one, fix it same as like that one. And this one for also tiny cable, if you whatever the cable, if you forget to connect it as it has before, it will the fan will be running high speed, and it will show some working, maybe some error it will show all the time. So better, while you remove, check whichever the cable you are disconnected, please fix it as it like that. Now we will close the screen. So now I have closed as it same like before. And while you are closing time, please check that 4 cables are connected properly, and below that you have to connect the display cable, and just keep the frame above the screen and 2009 means maximum it will install Windows 7. If you want Windows 10, you can install. Better to copy the drivers and install the Windows 7 or normal operating system. So this is how to replace the SSD. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye. See you.